Hi girls, this is CGI for Friday, March 27th. It has to do with my class library, which you have all seen and probably borrowed a book from. And usually a class library, or even any library, has bookcases which contain all of the books. And they have to stay organized in order for people to borrow them. So please read along with me, follow along as I read today's problem. Mrs. Forbes is organizing her class library. The top three shelves each hold 35 books. The bottom four shelves each hold 45 books. How many books are there in all? There's a lot of clue words in there. I'm going to read it again, and I'm going to clue in on those clue words. Mrs. Forbes is organizing her class library. The top three shelves each hold 35 books. The bottom four shelves each hold 45 books. How many books are there in all? A lot of important words there. So, how many books are there in all? Am I looking for a part or am I looking for a total? Hopefully, you said you're looking for a total. And I know that if I'm looking for a total, my options will be addition, or I can't write it all out over there, or multiplication. Now, again, there's another key word in there. Each. Three shelves each hold 35 books. So what does that mean? Four shelves each hold 45 books. What I suggest to start this problem, if you're not sure, is to maybe just draw a tape diagram of what the bookcase might look like with the shelves and the number of books on the shelves. All right, please pause the video and solve it. And then when you unpause it, my board will be erased and we will talk about the solution. All right, hopefully you paused. And my suggestion was to maybe start actually with a diagram of the bookcase. And the bookcase had three top shelves and four bottom shelves. And the top shelves each had 35 books. That meant there were 35 here, there were 35 here, and there were 35 here. The bottom shelves each had 45 books. So that means 45 on this shelf, 45 here, 45 here, and 45 here. Now, hopefully you're looking at this tape diagram and you're knowing exactly what you want to do. First thing that jumps out at me is I have 3 of the 35s. And I have 4 of the 45s. That word of is pretty important. For me, that word of is telling me I'm going to multiply. Those 35s are repeating themselves. So I'm going to multiply 35 times 3. And that gives me 105. I'm going to multiply 45 times 4, and that gives me 180. So here's 105, here's 180. In order to find out how many are in all, I'm going to add that 105 plus that 180. And I get a total of 285 bucks. Now, maybe somebody else out there was looking at this and said, oh, I'm just going to add all of those numbers. So maybe another friend decided to take those 35s and add them. 5, 10, 15, 3, 6, 9, 10. Oh, I still get that 105. And then they decided maybe instead to add all those 45s. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18. And I get the same two exact numbers that when I add is going to give me that 285. Hopefully you got that answer too. Have a great weekend, girls.